Hello guys. My name is Rada, and I will be your teacher for the software design pattern in Python. Before we start the course, I want to show you what you will get from this series. I will teach you all the design pattern in the book Design Patterns, Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software. There are 23 design patterns which can be classified in 3 categories. Creational patterns, there are 5 types. Structural patterns, there are 7 types. And behavioral patterns, there are 11 types. I will explain everything in an easy way, using real-life example, stories, and daily programmer's routine. It will be fun to learn this way, even people with no experience whatsoever in programming will understand. And after each course, if you still have questions, I will be happy to answer them. So, if you are interested to learn this way, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon.